see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today something very easy but always super tasty and nice. I'm going to make a feta and courgette kebab. Absolutely delicious. What we need for this video recipe? We need courgette, feta and some skewer, some stick. Okay? Take your courgette off. You take it off. Take one of these and we start. The first one we don't use. And always guys, if you like this video, if you can, share with friends, subscribe on the channel and check our website cookingwithanitalian.com. You see? Very easy guys. This, because I don't want to be very long, I will chop the feta in cubes. Like this. And it depends how large is your zucchini. Yeah, I try like this. Cubes. Easy. Take your zucchini or courgette, just roll it. Okay? That's good. I think the feta cheese works very good with this, but if you like some cheese different, you can try another one and later. Super fresh and super easy. Okay, make your kebabs and see you for the next step when we're gonna just grill really them. Okay, kebab, they're ready. Oh, beautiful. Okay, take a bowl. We have to make a little dress. Chop parsley, garlic if you like, some chili sauce, sweet chili sauce, lemon, salt and pepper, olive oil. Okay, olive oil in. This is 2 tablespoons. Put some salt, pepper, parsley, some garlic. I'm grating, but up to you. You can chop it, you can squeeze it, up to you. Yes. Some lemon zest. Okay. Maybe half lemon juice. Side. Yeah, I like some sweet chili. Maybe 1 teaspoon. And now mix everything. Okay, our dress is ready. Couple minutes, not more. A little touch of oil. That's not there more than couple minutes per side, eh? Okay. See, we're gonna have something like easy, okay? Okay guys, my kebab, they're ready. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. The dress we prepare just on the top. Oh yeah guys. Oh, absolutely super. Try. And now I will try one. Wow. Absolutely delicious. Wow. Guys, what gonna say? My kebab, courgette and feta cheese is this. Always, if you like, finger up and follow us. Ciao.